Give your landscaping a little edge and add a decorative stone border around your trees or shrubs. It only takes an afternoon to unlock the value of your lawn's potential. Here's what you'll need: curved stone pavers or blocks, a paver base or bedding sand, rubber mallet, spray paint or lawn chalk, string, a tamper, shovel, and the mulch of your choice. Pick a tree or grouping of shrubs in your lawn that could use an update. For this example, we will be building a decorative border around this tree. First, you'll need to mark your border outline. Tie one end of a string around the base of the tree and walk back 3 to 6 feet with the other end. Cut the string at your desired length and walk around the tree holding the end. Use spray paint or lawn chalk to mark the circle around the tree as you go. This will be the outer edge of your stone border. Depending on the size of your paver, trim the length of the string to mark the inner edge of your border. Use spray or chalk to mark the circle. Remove grass or turf from between the inner and outer circles you've marked. Use a shovel to dig about 3 to 4 inches into the soil. Use a tamper to level the ground. Next, add a layer of bedding sand into the ring, making sure it's about 2 inches all around. Again, use your tamper to level the ground. Now it's time to build your foundation. The stone blocks you purchased should have a curve to them. Ask your local hardwarean if you need help choosing the right blocks. Begin placing the stones with the wide edge facing out. This will allow the blocks to fit together seamlessly while bending around the border. Use a rubber mallet to tap the stones in place. As you build your border, stagger the stones as you stack them so there are no vertical seams. Because the curve of the blocks locks them into place, no paving or mortar is needed. Finally, fill the inside of your tree border with the mulch of your choosing. That's it. Need more expert advice? Stop by your local True Value hardware store and ask a hardwarean. Behind every project is a true value.